Hey guys, good morning from I don't know why like all the lights in this room are so yellow sharp, but good morning. Um it's what's the day? You guys what's today's date? I can't remember what's today's 22nd of April, and it's finally time for our vacation. So we have an early morning flight. We're just like doing last minute packing. The whole place is just sort of a mess, but those are my travel buddies, and I need to like sort out my memory and stuff for my videos and get it moving. So see you guys when we get to the airport. Guys, so we are ready to roll. Wearing
Skims.
you hear soon. You'll hear what we're wearing soon, but like I absolutely love my airport outfit. Here's on flake, breakouts coming through as usual. Hey guys, so we are finally heading out.
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down low, not when we shine so bright. The sun is getting warmer.
Guys, we're in Ghana.
Super excited, you guys.
We're super excited.
Oh, my skin already looks better.
We soar away among the clouds. The sky is just a border. But when we're floating up like helium.
I'm not introducing because this is the Stoner. I'm coming. So hi guys, we're finally in Ghana, and then we're trying to have lunch. We actually want to have Ghanaian food, so that's Annie. And that is Mimi over there. So yeah, we're about to, rather, I'm thinking of having this thing called banku. So they have fufu, but I don't want fufu because I don't want fufu because fufu smells. So we're about to do banku, but I'm trying to decide on soup. They do have okra soup, which is quite interesting. So let me choose my meal, and then I'll let you guys know what I get.
What about you two share one? Take one.
And then Banku.
Maybe pieces here. Maybe we share that chicken. Maybe 2 hours. Maybe I make for so let's have the option. Okay, alright.
So guys, I'm going to be trying my banku and red fish soup. I'm going to try my banku and red fish soup. So what should I do first, the soup or
The soup.
the soup?
You have to taste the soup first.
It's like pepper soup. Oh, not extremely spicy, but it's actually really nice. It's going to be like pepper soup, then to be soup. It's like pepper soup, but you know the pepper soup that they use tomato, like chicken pepper soup. Hey guys, so we're actually finally in Accra. show you guys about our apartment. This one's the one that this one's on the throne, but let me show you guys what it looks like. So this is the so guys, this is the living room. And then that's Annie. Annie wants to be a TikTok star in this short time in Ghana. So guys, this is actually outside. So this is like the kitchen area. Let me show you the bedroom. So this is actually so cute, Shab. Let me show you guys. These are the cupboards, and this is the bathroom, of course. Well, I just love how everything is white, and then this is the sink, and this is the shower. So this is me looking so gorgeous, looking so pretty, looking so cute. Okay guys, so like I can't remember the last time I had this much light hitting me in a bedroom. The light in this apartment is A1, and we're still doing her TikTok. See her. How did I do that? Just literally sitting in this one. Now she's attacking me for sitting in my own space too. See this babe. But that's by the way. I'll see you guys later. I actually need to go and sleep a little so that I will feel a lot rested in the evening because I'm actually so tired. So see you guys later.
Without any warning, we're sucking up the oxygen. The room is getting smaller. We always have it coming.
Hey loves, so we are back from the mall and we're about to start like dressing up to head out for tonight. And wait, why is my eyes so all over the place? So yeah, I just put my hair up in a bun. And I'm trying to figure out what I want to wear. So far, I'm trying to decide between like a top and jeans and a crop top and a skirt. So I'm just going to try that on and show you guys and we'll decide together.
20-something seconds go on and on. 20-something seconds go. I'm not ready for darkness. I'm not ready for darkness.
Hey love, guess who's wearing some color? So I went with this suit. Just keeping it simple and cute. Gold ring, gold jewelry, and this skirt. That is me. Do you guys follow Stay at Home Daughter? Because if you know Stay at Home Daughter on TikTok, you know she's just like, look at me, looking so beautiful, looking so cute, looking so stunning. So for this night, we're just doing drinks. I'm so annoyed because after all my hard work, this got stained still. So tacky. But so tonight we're just doing like drinks, just something casual. So let's go.
Give me all the comfort that I crave.
It was actually so good. I had such a good time. My arms ache, so I can't exactly hold this camera for long, but it's currently like 10 a.m. We're all on the couch. See them? All on the couch like that. We're also trying to kind of plan what we want to do today. Yeah, so this is Life of Valerie, Ghana. You guys, you know what's so funny? I actually can't wait to like do a lot of like traveling because I really do like to travel anyway. But yeah, we're trying to figure out what to do today. Planned outfits, we're gonna take some photos and let's get this day started. Hi, good morning. Hey guys, so I told you guys that we're expecting food from one of our Ghanaian friends. I keep saying Ghanaian friends, so I think people should know that like I'm going local or like I'm doing things with the locals. But this is the food that we got. So we have some jollof rice. I think this is some plantain. That's some chicken, and this is, I don't know what sauce it is, but it's pepper. We also have eggs. Then we have the eggs and pepper thing he talked about, guys. And then we had fried eggs. It looks like Ghanaians really like their eggs. And we have some more sauces. We have like, I don't know what kind of rice is this, but this is a different type of rice. Have some more chicken, some plantain. We also have some avocado and some more sauces. This is a party, guys. We should even host people. We should actually host. What do you guys think is a lot of food? We should definitely host people. We should host people. Yeah. Okay, guys. So like Ghanaians actually put like pepper and onions in their boiled egg. So I'm going to try it and tell you guys what it tastes like. But it's raw pepper and raw onion though, so be worried in case you are like, hey, this is nice. But I know it's my blend, but if you don't like it. It's nice, but the pepper is not that hot. It's good. It's not maybe that easy notice. Yeah, I think that I would have loved to, get up to all the fun stuff. I'm actually trying to rest because I'm tired.
You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you tied a rope to me. You're blessing me every day. I was down with an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings. But now I shine with your reflection on me. I'm getting back up on my feet. That you show.
Hey guys, so it's a Saturday. It is such a beautiful day out, and we are heading to the beach soon. I'm wearing this from Christmas Day with like the buttons and all. We had another very interesting last night, so we're going to go to like the market first, and then from the market we're going to head to the beach, and we're just going to come in and swim in the pool. So like we're just having a very chill, very low-key kind of day. My skin also seems to have resurrected from whatever was happening at the beginning of this trip. I'm very happy and excited for that. I will just say that in the future I will try and plan longer trips, because I've noticed that 4 nights is just like not enough for me, because I'm like doing so much activity that it's hard to like rest in between and do touristy stuff too. So yeah, my next trip will be like a lot longer than today. See you guys later. Bye. Guys, I just wanted to show you guys my outfit. It's really Oh, where's my bikini top?
Holding hands.
You guys, maybe just got like a really show them the video. See like this really nice video.
Can you see?
Yeah. And then this babe wants me to beg for this video.
Don't beg.
So yeah. Oh, this is it. The babes are out.
The girls are out.
The girls are heading to the market and then the beach. Please don't worry, we will not be going to the market, you know, like dressed like this. So please, we're gonna be covering up. Here's mine.
It's mine.
Let's go.
Come home with me tonight. Run away with me. It'd be worth the time. Run away with me.
Gucci, come say hi to the vlog. Hi. You guys, this is Gucci. She lives in Ghana.
I don't want your persona. I just wanna be real with you tonight. Can I have you alone now? I just wanna reveal what's on my mind. You tell me that you're used to no feelings, but I'm gonna change it. Yeah, you'll be awakened. Cause when my love starts working on you, it'll take your breath away like never.
20.
Know when your body feels so tired to get out of bed, you put your heart on a letter to chase it away. 'Cause
Hey guys, so we've come to the end of this Ghana vlog. It was really a lot of fun. I actually think that I do want to come back and spend a little bit more time. So see you guys in the next vlog.
we'll tell
guys, we are back in Nigeria.
So we waited our whole time. We're back.
I decided to do the vlog for Valerie because she's exhausted. Baby, are you really tired?
Accra was a movie.
So if we go back to Accra today, you will see strength.